far from the source, the electric and magnetic field vectors oscillate in the same phase. The directions of oscillations of the electric and the magnetic field are mutually perpendicular and are in a plane perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the wave. These waves are non-mechanical and of transverse type. Their velocity in free space or vacuum is given by C is equal to 1 upon square root of epsilon 0 into mu 0, where epsilon 0 is the permittivity of vacuum, that is equal to 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12 c square into n raised to minus 1 into n raised to minus 2. Mu 0 is equal to the permeability of vacuum, that is equal to 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 Weber into a raised to minus 1 into n raised to minus 1. Therefore, C is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. The velocity of electromagnetic waves depends upon the electromagnetic properties of that medium.